In today's video, I am going to teach you how to perform double mass curve analysis in Excel. Before you start clicking around, make sure your data is already organized in Excel in the way you need for your analysis. Double mass curve analysis relies on comparing cumulative values over time, so having the correct cumulative columns ready will make the chart steps smooth and accurate. Also, it helps to confirm that the cumulative figures are entered as numbers, not text, because charts will read them more reliably when they are true numeric values. Now we are going to begin by highlighting the cumulative data. Look at your spreadsheet and go to the columns that contain your cumulative results. In this tutorial, you will highlight your cumulative data columns C2 through D7. Click and drag across that range so both columns are selected together. As you do this, you should see the cell border highlighting around all the cells from C2 to D7. This step matters because Excel needs both sets of cumulative values to plot them correctly on a single chart. If you only select one column, you will not get the comparison you need for a double mass curve. Once the range C2-D7 is highlighted, take a moment to double-check that you have included exactly what you intend. You want your cumulative values starting at row 2 and ending at row 7, matching your dataset size. If your data ends at a different row in your file, you should adjust the selection accordingly. The key idea is that you are selecting the cumulative data columns that will form the plotted lines, so the chart reflects your full range of observations. Next, you will move up to the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. Find the Insert tab and click it. The Insert tab is where Excel places chart tools and other objects. When you click Insert, you should see the chart-related options appear. This is the area where you will choose a line chart format suitable for tracking change over cumulative distance or cumulative time. After you open the Insert tab, you are ready to choose the chart type. Look for the line chart icon among the chart options. Click the line chart icon, and then a menu of line chart styles will appear. This step matters because double mass curve analysis is typically best displayed with lines, since it allows you to see trends and departures in cumulative relationships clearly. Now select the option that reads Line with Markers. When you choose Line with Markers, Excel will create a chart using your selected data range. You should see the chart appear on your worksheet, and you will be able to see the lines along with marker points at the data positions. The markers are useful because they make it easier to visually confirm where each cumulative value lands on the chart. At this point, you have successfully set up the core visualization for your double mass curve analysis. The chart created from the cumulative columns will give you a clear view of how one cumulative series relates to the other across the selected rows. If you do not see the chart in a way that matches your expectations right away, you can usually resize it or adjust its placement, but the fundamental step is complete. You have created the line chart using your cumulative data. Finally, review the chart briefly to confirm that the plotted lines correspond to the two cumulative columns you selected. You want the chart to display two lines that track through the data range you highlighted. If everything looks consistent, you can proceed with any further formatting or interpretation you plan to do for your analysis. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.